Today we will see the basic structure of HTML. Comments using the syntax. Any text or code placed between these tags will be ignored by the browser and will not be displayed on the web page. This is often used to add notes or explanations for other developers who may be reading the code. This is the syntax of HTML, and now I will explain this practically. Doc-type HTML greater than declares that the document is written in HTML5. This is important because different versions of HTML may have different rules for how to interpret and render the code. By including the correct doc-type declaration, web browsers can ensure that the page is displayed correctly. According to the intended HTML standard, the HTML tag is used to define the root element of an HTML document. It encloses all other HTML tags and content in the document and should be placed at the beginning of the document. The head tag is used to define the head section of an HTML document. This section typically includes metadata such as the document's title, links to style sheets and scripts, and other information that is not displayed on the web page itself. The title tag is used to define the title of the document, which appears in the browser's title bar and is often used by search engines as the title of the search result. The body tag is used to define the visible content of an HTML document. It contains all of the elements that are displayed on the web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Title appears in the browser's title bar and is often used by search engines as the title of the search result. We are using comment tag to explain what we are up to do. HTML has 6 different sizes of heading. H1 to H6. These tags are used to define headings and subheadings in the content of an HTML document. H1 greater than tag defines the main heading of the document, while the H2 and H3 tags define subheadings. The size and weight of the text in the headings is typically larger and bolder than the normal text in the document, and the different levels of headings help to organize and structure the content. How H1 to H6 headings show on the browser. Paragraph tag is used to define 3 separate paragraphs of text. The text within each paragraph is displayed on separate lines, and there is a small amount of space between each paragraph. Text is written between the p tag which you want to show on the browser. So today we have seen doc type, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, heading tag, and paragraph tag. Thanks for watching.